This is our first camping experience and pitching a tent to say the least. Okay, so it's more like a trial and error. So at this point, we had to envision how it looks until eto na. We decided to twist or to shift the position of the canopy tent para mas ano siya, mas effective at saka mas practical. So, through trial and error, comment dito, comment doon, sabihin, sasunod good, okay, baguhin natin. So, how much do you want it moved? Okay, taas pa yung canopy. So, all is well in the end. At anong nangyari, ito siya ang finished product. So, makita nyo yung ulap gumagalaw, no? Kasi hindi pa tapos yan. Matapos mabuo yung tent, ulan pa yan.